Welcome back, heroes. This is Christian back here in another video just for all of you. I just want to say, man, thank you guys so much for all the love that you guys were giving me as far as the brand new F-250 7.3 liter truck that I got for the channel and for towing. Just want to say I appreciate you guys. But today's video is a very special video. First thing I always like to do for my Corvette, for my other cars that I really am going to be having a long time and that are going to be special, is get PPF and get ceramic coating for the car. So we're gonna go ahead and get a full PPF on the whole front of the truck. So we're gonna do the full front bumper. I'm not sure if we're doing the grille, but we're doing the front bumper. We're doing the hoods. We're doing the fenders right here. We're doing the mirror caps. We're doing the door caps and some of the doors parts right here as well. So we're gonna go ahead and do a full PPF, and then we're gonna also ceramic coat the truck. So when we ceramic coat it, it's gonna make sure it keeps the color good. It's gonna be very easy to clean. The PPF is gonna protect it when we do a lot of the road trips and we do a lot of the driving that we're gonna be doing definitely for the truck. Yeah, let's take a look at this truck, man. Look how beefy this thing is. Dang. But anyway, y'all, if you guys like the video, hit the like button, feel follow, join the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Let's have a good video, guys. Let's get it. Peace. This truck is so spacey, man. Like, it's so spacey. And man, this thing is really nice. All right, guys, we're at Highline Customs. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get the full front PPF and ceramic coating done. It's going to be the full hood, full fenders, front bumper, the door jambs, the door handles, and the mirror, the top of the mirror caps as well. Gonna go ahead and get that done. Man, look at this beefy truck, man. Like I said, we're gonna be taking this channel to the next level, racing to the next level, and let's get to it, man. I'm super excited. We're matching the truck today. Got the black on black. But anyway, shout out one more time to Highline Customs. Heard amazing things about them shop. They got nice Porsches over here, nice trucks. They got a whole bunch of dope stuff around here. But anyway, let's get to it. All right, y'all, so we got the truck back, and oh my gosh, the PPF came out really good. I'm not even sure if you guys can really see. You can kind of see, but they did a really good job with just overall with how the car and the truck came out. Like I said, they PPF the whole front fender, they PPF the mirror right here, they PPF the whole hood, they PPF the whole front bumper, especially that middle section, and then they PPF'd also the door inside handles right here, and they also PPF'd the door handles on the back and the front as well. They did all of that, and man, like, I know the black, it's like hard to tell, but with the PPF film they got, it had the ceramic built into it, and the paint definitely just stands out that much more being black. But also it just, man, I love how this thing looks. This thing is super mean, and I really wanted to get this done. Like I said, the paint was in really good condition and really good shape when I first got the truck. But I want to make sure that if I have this for the long haul, I want to make sure that the truck is in really good condition when I have it, when I drive, and when I have the truck. So overall, shout out one more time to them for doing an amazing job with the PPF. Came out super clean, super dope. And like I said, I'm not even sure if you guys can even see. Like, I'm not even sure if you can tell. It's so, they did such a good job with it. You can see here that the material, but you can't even see the edge marks. But they did a really good job. All right, y'all, and we just also went and got the front windows tinted. Not too dark, but man, is this thing looking fly. So we got the front driver's side, and we got the front passenger side, because the rear is already done. So as you see, it's not like super dark, but now it just looks super clean, guys. This is all the way in the sun. We're definitely getting the nice black on black action with the F-250. Love the sport appearance package that's on the truck now. But yeah, we went and got the windows tinted, and we got the PPF. And man, it's a little bit dirty, but once I clean this truck up, it's gonna be super fly. I'm not sure if you guys can really tell just how mean and aggressive and massive this truck is, but damn, this thing is looking so good. And obviously for the first few days, can't roll down the windows, but definitely you can tell it is much darker in here. Definitely much more shade. doing a good job of keeping it nice and cool, especially in these hot days. But man, this is, look at this truck, y'all. Look at this truck, man. We did it, y'all. Like, we did it. I'm so hyped. So we got the PPF wrap, and we went ahead and got the windows tint, and that's pretty much the first mods I do on all my cars. PPF and window tint. Can't talk enough about good things about getting PPF on your cars, especially sports cars, especially trucks. Just helps keep the paint clean, helps keep the car that much cleaner, helps with road debris, especially if you're doing a lot of road trips or drives or anything along those lines. And just, man, it just looks fantastic. It looks absolutely fantastic. Alright, so in closing, oh man, we did so many things this video, but we got the tint done, we got the front PPF done, the full front, fenders, hood, bumper, mirrors, just all the front, and we also, like I said, got the windows tinted. So now the front and the rear are nice and tinted and done. And man, this truck is starting to get there. Gonna have some more updates on the Corvette in the next video. Gonna go ahead and do a full house walk around for you guys on the next video as well, and what's going on. But anyway, if you guys like the video, hit the like button, follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. And have a great day. Let's get it. Peace.
We was in the heights. OG tried to sell me Cartiers. With my crown, we some kings like a card in solitaire. Sticking to the script, that's what got us here. If you in the way, we stepping down like a barber chair. We was all downstairs, Molly vibes till the smoke was clear. Nephew came in, told him, boy, yo, go upstairs. Listen for the kids, yeah, cover ears. Had to put in order all of my fears. Now when I step out, I'll be well prepared.
Yo, pop out anywhere, yeah, we was never scared, yeah. We was everywhere, yeah, but you was never there. People love to compare, but we just never cared. We just always did our thing. Every year we took the stairs. Back when Dylan ain't have a bed, we will always volunteer. Now we young pioneers, yeah, they see us switching gears. We some future billionaires, repping Brooklyn everywhere. So it's RIP to Pop, they know the smoke will never clear. Word.
Still on track, never off the trail.
Always bounce back, yeah, we still prevail.
Got our weight up, now we tip the scale.
Now we way up and we living well.
All we do is win, they wanna see us fail.
Me and Dill back to back like we Chip and Dale.
Now the price is going up and the ticket sales.
All we do is show and prove, we don't kiss and tell.
Hand to your lip, we honoring the code. I'm known to go, bees can't compete when I'm in that mode. Catch me in a bubble, moose knuckle for the winter cold. Corner stories and they all posted with a liquor soul.